Hello friends, in this video I'm talking about how to change PDF to Word or Word to PDF, PDF to Excel. In this video I will show you. First of all, open Chrome and search here hiPDF.com. Here is select which file do you want to convert. PDF to Word, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, image to PDF. Now I want to convert to PDF to Word. So click on that PDF to Word. So drop files here, choose a file, and this my file. Uploading, just a moment for uploading. And this website you must be logged in. So started converting 98%. So just click on download. Here is my file download. So open it. Click on enable editing. You can easily convert PDF to Word. And this website you can convert Excel to Word. Word to Excel, PDF to Word. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share it. Thanks for watching.